Well, just because you bought storage furniture doesn't mean you are making the most of your storage furniture. Our organizing expert, Vicki Norris, is here with tips on enhancing your space. Now, Vicki, what do you mean by storage furniture?
Okay, well, storage furniture are sideboards, credenzas, end tables, hutches, and we buy them because we want to store stuff. But the problem is, Molly, junk gets put in there and then we forget about it, and it's kind of hidden storage, right? And so today I want to chronicle a project I did of a sideboard. And the first thing I want you to notice here is that there are some trays with stuff in them on the floor. And so this is a really good clue that your storage furniture, even if it might look good on the outside, isn't working on the inside because you have overflow. So now I want to help you take a look inside to follow the project.
Okay. Yeah, let's follow it.
Okay, so the first step here is to evaluate what you've got and empty the entire storage piece. And so here you can see there's those deep cabinets on either side. This is the problem with a lot of this storage furniture. It has awkward size, you know, sections. And your stuff doesn't really fit in them. And so, of course, the best thing to do is back up to the beginning and buy the correct piece of furniture based on the belongings you have. But most of us can't do that. We have to work with what we have. So after you've evaluated it and emptied it, now it's time to categorize everything that's in it. And so here you can see I pulled out everything that was in the drawers and these cabinets. And I found things like lace doilies and napkins, which you would think would go in a dining table, but I'm going to share with you later why that doesn't work. Memorabilia, coasters, all this household stuff, napkin rings, and then of course some games and cards, because a lot of people use those at the table. So that categorization part is really important. Before you just start rearranging the contents of your storage furniture, I want you to pull it out by category, because then you can remove an entire category of things or a couple category of things and simplify what's in it. And that brings me to the next tip, which is rehoming items that do not belong. So here you can see an armoire that has table linens in it, and this is the destination, Molly, for those little napkins and doilies. So they're now kind of, you know, reunited with items of like type, and we are slowly taking back that sideboard. In fact, we freed up a whole drawer by doing that. And then the memorabilia went to a memorabilia closet. So that rehoming stage is really important.
Okay, so if it doesn't make sense where it is, figure out another place to put it.
Yeah, we call those go elsewheres in the organizing process.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
So once you've gotten rid of the things you don't need, what do you do after that?
Now it's time to repurpose and reload your storage furniture. And so here's a picture inside the drawers. And you can see in the top drawer, I put napkins and coasters based on frequency of use. And then I actually introduced a drawer organizer, and I organized that jumble of napkin rings. What you don't see is in the open cabinets, I put dinner time activities. So that included reading material that happens at the dinner table, and also those hand games that happen there.
Okay, this all makes a lot of sense. What do you do after that?
Okay, and now we're into the final step, and that is to reclaim the surface of your storage furniture. So you can see I just put a picture and some greens. One of those trays that was on the floor got promoted to the surface to kind of claim the space, and in it are hand games like Uno and things like that that serve the table. So reclaiming that surface and beautifying it is part of taking back your storage furniture. And if you do this, each piece of storage furniture will get simplified, and you won't have any hidden clutter in your home anymore.
I can't believe that's the same space. It looks beautiful. Now, you usually have a blog post about this?
I do, actually. So if people want to learn step by step how to organize your storage furniture, or really anything, I have a blog on this topic today. It's the first post on our Restoring Order Facebook page, and you can kind of learn how a professional organizer, step by step, takes back space.
Great. Vicki, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
Time to reclaim your space.
Thanks for watching this organizing video by Restoring Order. Be sure you subscribe to this channel and check us out at restoringorder.com.